One moment I was trekking through Nepal with the Himalayas in the background, and the next moment I was driving down the highways in the United States in a 30-foot RV. How in the world did we get from Nepal to an RV? Hi, my name is Stephanie Calderon. I am a certified essential oil specialist, mom to 2, and I've been sharing our experiences and tips and tricks with essential oils on this channel. Make sure you subscribe and stick around to the end because I have something fabulous that you are definitely going to want. So in 2015, Nepal was hit with a devastating earthquake. In 2017, I had the privilege of going with doTERRA to help rebuild a school there. It wasn't just the loss of school, it was a safety issue because this particular village that doTERRA actually sources our wintergreen from is 10 hours from any sort of major city like Kathmandu. I'm just trying to paint this picture to you. So it's only 100 miles, but it's up and down, winding roads, and so it's truly up a mountain in the middle of nowhere. So people were coming in and removing children from the village, but as you can imagine, this is not a safe situation. So doTERRA said, we've got you, we will rebuild it. One of the things that doTERRA is very committed to is the co-impact sourcing model. We don't go in and just take the wintergreen. We want to give back. We want to pay a fair on-time wage and do good everywhere we set foot on. So in this instance, we were going to do good by rebuilding the school at absolutely no cost to the village. I am all about creating amazing experiences for myself and my family. So my husband and I actually sold our second car so we could go on this trip with doTERRA. Again, we were there just to meet the people, to interact with them, and then give them hope that people still cared about them after such a devastating event. What it did for me and my husband is it literally changed our perspective on everything. We got to meet people that lived in huts that were made out of cow dung, and yet they were trying to feed us. The women walked for 2 days to collect enough flowers to create these beautiful lace-like necklaces for us and lined the streets chanting doTERRA, doTERRA. They were so excited. And I came back to America. We have so much to be grateful for. And I wanted to give my daughters a life of experiences, also to focus on what was important, and that was time together. And I realized all of our stuff was trapping us. We had to work so many hours to pay for the things. We had to spend so many hours on upkeep and maintaining our house and our yard, and everything that we had was taking time and money. One day the answer hit me. I was going to sell everything we owned. Obviously, my husband came on board with my plan. We were going to move into an RV and we were going to spend time for the next year as a family creating experiences. That 1 year turned into 6 years and we just ended it a year ago. But I wouldn't trade those experiences for anything in the world. So the point of this is if you have the opportunity to do something, even if it's scary, even if you don't know every step to get there, jump on it. You never know how it's going to change your life and reshape your path. I also want to use this video to highlight not all essential oil companies are this ethical. A lot of them take. They don't pay the people. They don't pay the farmers. They operate with brokers, which are a middleman that typically cheat the people out that are harvesting them. Be very careful of this industry. Essential oils are becoming more and more popular, which I'm super grateful for. But we have to be stewards of what we're spending our money on. And that is why I not only use doTERRA for myself and my family, but I absolutely passionately share the message of doTERRA and sell their essential oils for this very reason. Thank you for joining me. As promised, I am going to give you an amazing freebie. If you're tired of scouring the internet for the best diffuser recipes, the best DIY cleaning recipes, the best daily mom habits with essential oils, I've got you. I put it all together in a colorful guide. There's a place for you to take notes. You can find the link for that pinned in the comments and also in the description below. Thank you for joining me. Have an amazing day.